Welcome to Al Hidayah Public School. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, my dear kids? I hope you all are fine. This is our English video. Now today we are going to learn small letter P. Small letter P. P is for paint. P is for paper. We write on paper, right? P is for paper. P is for pictures. P is for pictures. P is for push. P is for push. P is for planet. P is for planet. P is for plant. P is for plant. P is for present. P is for present. Small letter P. Small letter P. Now we will see few more example of letter P. P is for puppet. P is for puppet. P is for popcorn. P is for popcorn. P is for parrots. Parrots are green. P is for papaya. Papaya is a fruit. P is for papaya. P is for panda. Panda favorite food
now,
is
children,
bamboo
open your LKG
shoots,
semester
right?
textbook
They
to
are
page
black
number
and
32,
white.
32,
P is
32.
for panda.
This is
I hope you understood,
P.
children. Small letter P. P come after letter
panda.
O. Small letter
P
P.
is for panda. P is for penguin. P is for penguin. P is for papaya. P is for papaya. P is for panda. Panda loves to eat bamboo shoots. P is for panda. Penguin. P is for penguin. Penguin are the seabird. They live in a cold areas, right? P is for penguin. P is for papaya. P is for papaya. Papaya is a fruit. P is for papaya. Let's read one more time. First I will read, then you repeat after me, okay? P is for panda. P is for penguin. P is for papaya. I hope you understood, children. Small letter P. Now open page number 3333. Now can you see this, children? Over here they have given so many dotted lines, right? So we have to trace it, okay? Now first draw
We will
this
practice
line.
writing
This is
P.
a
Small
standing
letter
line.
P.
Same over here again, like this. Same over here, children. Slowly, slowly draw a standing line. This way you have to draw all these lines. Okay, now these are right curves. Okay, now keep your pencil over here and slowly, slowly draw a right curve. Parents, please help your kids to draw this curve. Same over here again. Do it neatly, properly, my dear kids. I hope you understood, children, how to draw this curve. See, children, this way you have to draw all these curves. Okay, now this is small letter P. Small letter P. First they have given some arrows, right? So we have to follow that. First draw a standing line like this and draw a right curve. This is small letter P. This is small letter P. Now over here there are so many boxes, right? So can you see this? In some boxes they have given dotted lines and in some there are no dotted lines. So we have to write it, okay? Now let's start. Now this is small letter P. First draw a standing line and a curve. Small letter P. Now here without dots, okay? We have to write small letter P from first blue line to second red line. First blue line to second red line. Then and make a curve in between blue line. Small letter P. P is for panda. P is for penguin. This is small letter P. P is for peacock. Peacock is very beautiful bird, right? P is for parrot. P is for papaya. I hope you understood, children, small letter P. Children, this way you have to write small letter P. Small letter P. I hope you understood, children, small letter P. Parents, please help your kid to write this small letter P. Now open your notebook, children. We will practice writing small letter P. Now can you see this, children? This is small letter P. Small letter P. Now parents, can you see this? I have written this first line. So please write first line on your child notebook so that can they easily complete the whole page. Small letter P. We have to write small letter P from first blue line to second red line and draw a curve in between blue lines. Small letter P. P is for panda. P is for peacock. P is for plate. P is for planet. P is for penguin. P is for papaya. P is for puppets. I hope you understood, children, how to write small letter P. Parents, please help your kids to write small letter P in this notebook. Small letter P. P is for parrot. I hope you understood, children. See, children, this way you have to write small letter P. You have to write small letter P 2 times in your English notebook. You have to write small letter P from first blue line to second red line and draw a curve in between blue lines. Okay, this is small letter P. Parents, please help your kid to write small letter P. So over here I am going to end my video. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.